Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Every office has someone that's studying for a certification, but the CISSP brings its own unique set of challenges. In this video, we're headed to Scranton to meet the 10 types of test takers from the office and how each one survives the ultimate security exam. At the end of this video, please take a moment and ask yourself, which type are you? And then try applying their strategies to your own study journey. Let's get started. So first up at number one, we have Dwight Schrute, the policy enforcer. Dwight lives for policy. He quotes NIST by memory and color codes the ISO 27001 and dreams about compliance. His strong suit is structure. He never misses a control or an audit step, but his downfall, he overanalyzes every question until time runs out. The CISSP success for Dwight and this type of person means taking a step back to focus on intent over perfection. And remember, the goal is judgment, not obedience. At number two, we have Jim Halpert, the natural strategist. Jim is the cool operator. He trusts instinct more than flashcards, and he thinks logic will carry him. His calm under pressure is elite, but confidence can turn cocky fast. When he skips details like key management or risk formulas, the test defeats him. For Jims, keep your composure but take full practice exams. Instincts win when they're backed by repetition. The third type is Pam Beasley, the artist turned analyst. Pam makes her study notes look like Pinterest boards, beautiful and organized. Her visual memory is unmatched, but she spends more time designing notes than digesting them. Her gift is empathy and process flow. Her weakness, overprepping aesthetics. To pass, Pam should convert visuals into flashcards and simulate real exam pressure under time constraints. Number four is Michael Scott, the charismatic visionary. Michael can inspire a study group like no other. He can quote any philosopher and starts every session with motivation, but he forgets to read the crypto chapter. His leadership mindset is gold, yet he skips technical depth. The Michael type should pair their charisma with structure. This means joining boot camps or scheduling focused study blocks so they can truly deep dive into the material. At five, we have Angela Martin, the auditor. Angela treats the CISSP like a tax audit: rules, logs, checklist. She dominates governance and documentation, but it's the ambiguous questions that ruin her piece. A tip for Angela is to remember that the exam isn't black and white, it's different shades of risk. To thrive, practice choosing the best answer, not the only answer, and learn to trust your educated intuition. Number six is Darryl Philbin, the practical engineer. Darryl is the hands-on pro. He's built firewalls, patched servers, and has seen incidents firsthand. His problem? Thinking too technical. CISSP wants managerial and risk advisor mindsets. Darryl must translate the how into why. Every time he reads a question, he should ask, what risk does this fix? And what's going to be the business impact? Number seven is Toby Flenderson, the compliance veteran. Toby's been in policy since the days of dial-up. He knows ethics, privacy, and law, but he's tired. His depth is unmatched, but his energy, not so much. Burnout is his biggest vulnerability. Toby should study smarter, not longer. Study in short 30-minute blocks, mixing legal with tech topics, and reward consistency over the grind. Number eight is Kevin Malone, the chaos learner. Kevin starts strong: new textbooks, flashcards, calendar blocks, and big dreams. But 2 weeks later, he's at Starbucks, Panera Bread, or your local cafe watching prank videos. His genius is simplicity, and he should use this to his advantage. Truly break things up and study 20 minutes daily, redoing missed questions and stay steady instead of going for the sprint. Number 9 is Stanley Hudson, the bare minimum specialist. Stanley approaches CISSP like a staff meeting, low energy, high results. For other exams, he studies once, takes one practice exam, and somehow passes because he's calm. That chill mindset is gold, but complacency kills. For the Stanley types, stay calm, but try to review more than once. Practice exams will keep the confidence honest. And finally, number 10, there's Bratton, the wild card genius. No one knows how Creed passed. Maybe luck, maybe chaos theory. He studies randomly, follows no plan, yet patterns click in his head. His gut instinct is sharp, but luck isn't the best approach for the CISSP. Strategy is. The Creed types just need a tad bit of structure, schedule topics, read each domain once, and trust preparation more than intuition. Alright, so there you have it. The 10 types of people who pass the CISSP, the Office Edition. Remember, CISSP success isn't about IQ, it's about EQ. Self-awareness turns study chaos into clarity. So whether you're a Dwight, a Pam, or a Creed, study your way, but study with purpose. Drop a comment below and tell me which type you are. If this made you laugh or gave you a little bit of motivation, smash that like button. Share it with your study group and hit subscribe for more IT and certification content. Good luck with your studies, and I'll see you in the next video.